What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you Dragon Ball Sparking Zero game data fix. So make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and hit the bell icon for the future updates. So let's dive right into the video. There is a warning. This seems to set you back a play session, so it will not completely restore everything. I shut my computer off yesterday while the game was still running. Then today I got on and I got a message saving data corrupted. I looked everywhere, could not find fix, so I hoped in the save files and found a way to restore based on your last play session. I am almost positive because this is what happened to me, so make sure you close the game properly. Do not have this happen again. So number one thing is browse local files for Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Go to the save game, open the only file inside, right click and go to the properties of the main game save data. Go to the previous version tab, grab file from the earlier this week and replace file. If you are worried about replacing the file, store it in a folder on your desktop and then put it the earlier version this week in. I did this. You should be able to start the game like normal again. Hope this helps. So that's how you can fix it. I hope you find this very helpful.